This is the newest engine I've painted. It's an Atlas U23b in the Maine Central Harvest Gold scheme. Like before, I used the modern safety striping. I have battery warning labels, backboard label. On the other side there's a fire extinguisher label. It's pretty basic. I use the tru-color paint, I believe. It's a better match, I think, to the Maine Central Harvest Gold color than polyscales. I still have to put the bell on it, but other than that, and an antenna up on the top here. Other than that, the model's pretty much finished. It looks pretty sharp, and the camera doesn't give it a good rendition, but in person, it's really cool, guys. All the decals are nice and sharp and clear. The lines are nice and crisp. I got some dieseling soot here. So this is the other side. Again, I don't know if the camera picks it up, but there's a GE label, motor plate right here, fire extinguisher label, warning labels for your water fill, temperature coolant. There's a battery, high voltage labels.